Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. On January 10th, 2025, Ohanaeze Ndigbo elected his President General in Enugu, Senator John Azuta-Mbata. This was purely an Igbo affair, but that decision troubled the Brace organization. 2 days later, on Sunday, the Brace organization held emergency meeting, and one of the outcome of their meeting was to declare that Biafra will not be given any portion of Niger Delta. And you ask yourself, what has Ohanaeze electing his president general on Friday have to do with Biafra agitation? That the Brace have to hold an emergency meeting to declare that no part of Niger Delta will be given to Biafra. Is Ohanaeze a Biafra agitation organization? No. Ohanaeze is a pan-Igbo socio-cultural organization, like Afenifere, like Arawa Consultative Forum, and others. In fact, Ohanaeze predates many of these other organizations, because it was formerly in the 1930s known as the Igbo People's Union, formed in Lagos. But the Ohanaeze that we know today was known as the Igbo Forum in 1976 when it was formed, and then transformed to the Ohanaeze Ndigbo we know today in 1979. So why should Ohanaeze electing his president general from Rivers State be the reason why the Brace organization will now be talking about that no portion of Niger Delta will be given to Biafra agitators? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. What is all this fear about Igbo unity that even people who are supposed to show understanding don't seem to show that? Instead, they are being antagonistic. What was that for? Okay. Now, before we go further on this, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, in the statement that was issued by the Brace organization, they said that Biafran agitators must refrain. And this was coming 2 days after Mbata was elected President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. They said that Biafran agitators must refrain from incorporating any area of the South-South region of Brest into their proposed Biafra enclave, according to Chief Wehere Monday, National President of Brace Union. For those who don't know, Brace Union is a socio-political pressure group of the South-South states in Nigeria. Brace is an acronym for Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Edo and Delta states. They are known as the Brace organization. It's like a regional bloc, but made up of states within the South-South geopolitical zone. Now, this their statement was given by Chief Wehere in response to the Brace Union's emergency congress, which was conducted Embrace Union's virtual platform on Sunday. That was 2 days after Ohanaeze elected his president. He went on to say that the recurrent pattern of Biafra supporters deftly incorporating Niger Delta ethnic nations into their Biafra map infuriated the pro-South-South bloc. The Brace Union herdsman described the trend as unsettling and emphasized that the Brace states are not Igbos and are independent of the Southeast, which are largely composed of Igbo tribes. As a result, the Southeast should not include any portion of the South-South region on their Biafra map. Now, like I said earlier on, Ohanaeze Ndigbo had been there for a very long time. The issue of Biafran agitation, if you know contemporary Nigerian political history, you know that Biafran agitation gained currency by when Raf Waswike started Mossop. That happened during Obasanjo's first term or second term. That time it wasn't Raf or Waswike alone. You have also people like Ghanaian Adams with OPC, Odua People's Congress, and all that. And these people were clamped down by the Obasanjo administration, including even Asare Dokubo. They were all locked up. That was when this issue of Biafra began to gain currency. And after that, Obasanjo detained all these people. They were in detention until Obasanjo left office. It was Yar'Adua that released them, including Asare Dokubo, including Rafu Waswike, including Ghanaian Adams. They were released. After that, Jonathan became Yar'Adua. It was Yar'Adua Jonathan administration that brought these guys out of detention. Waswike literally cooled down. Then Nnamdi Kanu came on board, and the issue of Biafra agitation began to spread and all that. So to associate Ohanaeze incorporating under their rotational presidency, making sure that the presidency in line with the constitution of Ohanaeze gets to River State, has now been interpreted as incorporating Brace states into Biafra is really unfortunate. It's unfortunate because what the Ohanaeze had done is no different from what the Ijaw People's Congress are doing. Now, Ijaw People's Congress, when they are doing their meeting or when they are electing the executives of Ijaw People's Congress used to come from across Bayelsa, they come from Rivers, they come from Delta, they come from Ondo. These are all states where you have the Ijaws. There may be others that I didn't mention. But all these are the Ijaw nations. So when they are doing their something, if the Bayelsa person becomes the president general of Ijaw People's Congress, next time it could come from Rivers. The leader could come from River, it could come from Delta. There are people who, when they see Edwin Clark, they think that Edwin Clark is from River State, but he's concerned about what is happening in River State because Rivers has a job population. That's where it is. So I don't see any difference between Ohanaeze and the Ijaw People's Congress, or Afenifere, or Arewa, this not ACF, Arewa, I'll get the acronym right, but ACF is Arewa. It's an organization made up of Arewa people of northern Nigeria. Okay, so all these people, they are no different from Ohanaeze, Afenifere, and all the rest. So when they do their meeting, it incorporates several states that fall within their jurisdiction. So if Arewa People's Congress or Arewa ACF, they are doing their meeting in Kaduna, many members, officials are elected from Benue, from Kogi, from everywhere. Nobody is accusing them of expansionism. But Ohanaeze elected somebody from River State. Now it's being interpreted as expansionism. And they're even taking it to the level that it's a Biafran agenda. How can people be thinking like that? When everybody who should know, unless they are pretending they don't know, they should know that Ohanaeze Ndigbo is purely an organization after Igbo unity, projection of Igbo interest in the larger Nigeria. That's what Ohanaeze had been. That's what it had been projecting all these years. Ohanaeze is an organization that believes in one Nigeria. That was why when you see organizations like IPOB calling for boycott for election, you have never heard Ohanaeze joining in any call for boycott of election in the Southeast. This Ohanaeze stood by a just son, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, and the whole of the Igbo nation was behind Goodluck Ebele Jonathan throughout his presidency. When Jonathan was being kicked around by the Southwest and the North, it was the Southeast that stood for him. A Southeast majority group stood by Jonathan and a German, like the Rock of Gibraltar. They stood for Jonathan. They were ready to die for Jonathan. They did everything. In fact, the hate that Buhari transferred to the Igbos under his administration was largely his disdain for the kind of support that Igbos gave to Jonathan. Of course, that administration was mutually beneficial because Jonathan also reciprocated the gesture of the Igbos by appointing people of capacity, because those that go and check those that Jonathan appointed into his cabinet from the Southeast, they were people of capacity whose impact you cannot doubt it anywhere in the world, including Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. You know where she is today. Okay, so they stood by an German and supported him to the hilt. That time, nobody accused Ohanaeze of expansionism, that is supporting an Ijaw person who want to expand to Ijaw land. So why are people acting like this? In any case, what the Brace should be campaigning for is how it will be better for the South-South. What have they done about the fact that they are only getting 13% derivation from oil that is on their soil? What have they done about it to see that that is increased? Have they made it a condition to support Tinubu's tax reform bill, which should be an issue? What have they done about the lack of seaports operational, working effectively in the South-South? What have they done about that? All their attention is about that Ohanaeze is trying to push Biafra down their throat, when there is nothing like that. What have they done about the real issue? Why is it that the Niger Delta people are celebrating being made to be contractors supervising the pipeline? But when oil blocks are shared, no Niger Delta person is getting any oil block. That should be their concern. That should be paramount. That's what they should be holding an emergency meeting. Why is it that oil blocks are not given to Niger Delta people? What they are being given is to share protection of pipeline. While people outside the region are not getting the oil blocks. They are getting the crumbs, protection of oil pipeline. That should be their concern. That's what the press should be talking about. How to improve their economy, and not to talk about that Ohanaeze is expanding, trying to link Ohanaeze with Biafra agitation. It doesn't really make sense as far as I can see it. This is just a waste of precious energy where it doesn't matter. And in any case, those who are agitating for Biafra, before they will get Biafra, there will be United Nations involvement. There will be a referendum if there will be anything like that. Those things don't come easy like that. So everybody will have opportunity to say whether he wants to be Biafra or not. Nobody's going to run down anything under anybody's throat. That's a fact. Go and check the history of United Nations involvement in separation of states. Go and check right from 1948 when India was divided into two between Pakistan, Islamic Pakistan, and the present-day India as we know it. It's always like that. You don't force anybody anything. So that shouldn't be the agenda of the press. Should be, how is it that oil is in our land? When they share the oil block, we're not even aware. We are left with the crumbs. That should be the concern. How to galvanize the economy of the South-South, and not to throw unnecessary fear that Ohanaeze is expanding to South-South, trying to incorporate South-South state into their Biafra map. How? It's really unfortunate that South-South, some leaders in South-South are yet to understand that the Southeast is their best and most reliable partners in the Nigerian project. I don't know what you think about this Brace organization raising unnecessary fears about the emergence of somebody from River State as President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Whatever is your position on this matter, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.